In every home, there's a moment when light meets design, when a single reflection transforms an empty wall into a living story. It's that quiet sparkle in the corner of a room, the glimmer of sunlight that bounces off a hand-polished mirror. The way a simple piece of decor brings warmth, space, and soul into a home. Welcome to the beautiful world of wall mirror decor, where art meets reflection, and where your creativity can turn into a source of inspiration and income. Today, we explore not just decoration, but transformation, how simple materials, small budgets, and big imagination can create something extraordinary. This isn't just about hanging mirrors. It's about reflecting beauty, craftsmanship, and your personal vision, and discovering how something so timeless can become both a work of art and a profitable venture. Sparkles the power of reflection. A mirror is one of the oldest human inventions, yet it never loses its charm. In every era, in every culture, mirrors have carried meaning. Symbols of light, truth, self-awareness, and even spirituality. From ancient polished stones to the ornate frames of royal palaces, mirrors have always done more than reflect our image. They've reflected our identity, our creativity, our lives. And today, that legacy continues. Not in factories or mass production, but in workshops, garages, and small studios like yours, where creators bring mirrors back to life through handmade design and imagination. Because when you craft a wall mirror decor piece by hand, you're not just making decor. You're telling a story that begins with wood, continues with light, and ends with reflection. Where craft meets creativity. Wall mirror decor can be simple, but simplicity is powerful. A clean wooden frame, a rustic reclaimed design, a geometric modern edge, each style speaks a different language. And the beauty of this craft is that it welcomes everyone. You don't need a massive workshop or a big budget. You can start with recycled wood, small tools, and a spark of inspiration. That's all it takes to begin turning ordinary materials into extraordinary home treasures. Every frame you build, every polish you apply, every small imperfection in the grain, it all becomes part of a story that people want to bring into their homes. The new trend, handmade and meaningful. In a world full of mass-produced decor, people crave authenticity. They want pieces that feel human, that tell a story, that carry warmth and emotion. Handmade wall mirrors fit that desire perfectly. They're functional, beautiful, and deeply personal. They make spaces feel larger, brighter, more alive, while also carrying the soul of the person who made them. And that's where opportunity shines. With creativity and small investment, you can design mirror frames that fit any style. Rustic farmhouse, boho chic, modern minimalist, or luxurious vintage. Each style has a buyer. Each design has a story. Each frame you make can become a small business in itself, reflecting profit in art. Let's talk business, because beauty can also be smart. Wall mirror decor is one of the fastest growing categories in the handmade home decor market. And why? Because it blends art and practicality. Every home needs a mirror, but every homeowner wants a mirror that's special. That's where your skill makes the difference. A handmade mirror frame can be created with materials costing as little as $15.30 and sold for $100, $300 or more, especially when personalized or crafted from natural wood. Add unique textures, carved edges, or artistic finishes, and suddenly your creation becomes not just decor. but functional art. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Pinterest are full of buyers searching for handmade wall mirror decor, wooden frame mirrors, and unique home wall art. It's not just a creative outlet, it's a business model, a way to make money while expressing your craft. The emotional side of reflection. But behind every profitable creation, there's emotion. Think of the last time you stood before a mirror. You weren't just looking at your reflection. You were connecting with your mood, your thoughts, your identity. That's the beauty of this craft. When someone buys your handmade wall mirror, they're not just purchasing wood and glass. They're bringing emotion into their space. They're buying light, story, and soul. And every time they pass by that mirror, they'll see not only themselves, but a glimpse of you, the artist, and the passion you poured into that creation. From passion to possibility, the first step to success doesn't begin with money. It begins with vision. Look at a plain wall, see potential. Look at a piece of wood, see form. Look at your tools, see opportunity. That's what woodworking and mirror design are all about. Transforming simplicity into art. Whether it's a minimalist frame for a modern apartment, a rustic piece made from reclaimed barn wood, or a decorative mirror surrounded by hand-carved details, you're not just building decor. You're building a livelihood. This is the kind of craft that starts small but grows fast. You can sell locally, online, or even partner with interior designers who crave authentic, handmade decor pieces. It's a creative business that rewards dedication, one that can turn a single hobby project into a full-time artistic brand, reflecting the world around you. What makes wall mirror decor so universal is that it transcends culture, style, and space. From small apartments to luxury villas, from bohemian cafes to modern offices, a well-designed mirror always fits in. It brings light where there's shadow. It brings art where there's emptiness. It brings emotion where there's silence. And when crafted with care, it becomes a timeless reflection of beauty, a fusion of nature, design, and imagination. That's why creating wall mirror decor isn't just a business, it's a contribution to beauty itself. A glimpse into what's next. In this video, we'll explore how you can make thousands from home with small budget mirror decor ideas that blend simplicity and elegance. You'll discover the best materials and tools for beginners, design styles that sell fast online, how to price your handmade mirrors for maximum profit, and how to market, photograph, and brand your work effectively. Each frame you craft, each reflection you shape, is more than decoration, it's your art, your business, and your path to creative independence. Every mirror you craft, every frame you design, every polish that catches the light, it tells a story of hands that build, of passion that shapes, of dreams that refuse to stay silent. You see, woodworking isn't just about tools and materials. It's about creating reflections of creativity, of courage, of purpose. And when you hang that finished mirror on a wall, it doesn't just reflect a face. It reflects you, your dedication, your patience, your artistry. So whether you're making your very first frame or running your own small business from home, remember this: every creation you make carries a piece of your soul. The world doesn't need more perfect things. It needs things made with heart. And that's exactly what you're bringing into it. One frame, one reflection, one story at a time. So keep crafting, keep creating, and keep believing that your hands can build more than objects. They can build a life filled with purpose and possibility. Because sometimes, the most beautiful reflection you'll ever see is the one that shines back from something you made yourself. If you enjoyed this journey into creativity and craftsmanship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who dreams of building from the heart. Until next time, keep creating and keep reflecting beauty into the world.